Okay, this is a follow-up to the deck staining video. As you can see, we had some issues with this deck. So we got the new wood over here, which in some spots did okay. Old wood to a covered area. From here we just get progressively worse. Complete failure, complete disaster. So I'm posting this as a warning to people not to use Olympic stain, Olympic accent stain, any stain from Olympic or PPG. I would say stay the hell away from it, because this is what you get, and the company doesn't care. It's absolutely ridiculous. You can see new boards, old boards. New boards with stain missing. New board, no stain. There's no rhyme or reason for it. It makes absolutely no sense. Great job, PPG. If you're thinking about using Olympic stain, do yourself a favor and Google Olympic stain failure and see what wonderful stories you're gonna come up with. Again, this was new wood, so if the stain hits the surface it seems to come off. Down here it was alright. So apparently Olympic makes a stain that you can't get wet. It's the only thing I can figure out. So now this has been cleaned and ready, so I can now redo the deck for a second time. Beware, do not use Olympic stain and stay away from PPG.